The drain override feature is used to open the drain valve while the supply valve is open. It is to be utilized only when servicing the fire sprinkler system, and only after the dry valve has been closed. Initiating the drain override feature without closing the dry valve first will activate the dry valve, filling the entire system with water. To initiate the drain override, press and hold the drain button and the test and reset button on the control panel simultaneously for 3 seconds. This will open the drain valve. While the drain valve is opening, the collect light on the control panel will turn off and the drain light will flash rapidly. When the drain light stops flashing and remains solid, both valves will be fully open. The valves will remain open indefinitely, and the drain light will stay on until the unit is taken out of the drain override state. You must wait at least 60 seconds to restore the unit to normal operation. To return the unit to normal operation, press the drain button and the test and reset button on the control panel simultaneously for 3 seconds. This will shut off the drain light. When the collect light on the control panel lights up, the drain valve is closed and the unit has been returned to its normal operation. Specify the Model 5500 onto new builds or upgrade existing drains with the superior performance of an AGF Collect and Drain. Visit agfmfg.com for more information.